In this video, I'll show you how to create a passkey on Coinbase. Alright, so here we are on Coinbase, and the first thing that you want to do is you want to go to the top left hamburger icon. In here, you want to click on Account Settings. Alright, so unfortunately, it does not want to let me record here, but what you're going to do is you're going to scroll all the way down till you see Change Security Settings. Then over here, you'll see two-step verification, and then you want to click on Add Passkey. Now it's going to take you to your web browser, and here you just want to click on Continue. From here, you want to enter the 6-digit code that they're going to SMS to you, and then you are going to click Continue when this pop-up appears. And now you're going to put in your passkey, so your fingerprint. Then your passkey will be saved, and you can hit Continue. And then if you want to, you can disable SMS verification, and you'll now see your passkey is set up. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.